Hello everybody, this is KQ4LSY. I am going to make a little video today showing you how to connect to the Reticulum network on your Android device, and particularly for those in my group, how to connect to Reticulum and then to the website over the internet that I have made for Sumner Ready. So this will only work on Android. Uh, I don't think iOS has anything that actually works yet. So we're going to start off by going to the Columba website, which I will have linked in the description. Sorry, I'm yawning. I'm about a couple beers deep, and I am kind of just freeballing the video. This is the fourth time I have had to make this video due to emulator problems and me being an idiot. So we're going to hit download for Android, and that'll take us to the GitHub page. We are going to come down here. Now, if you are on an Android phone, I believe this is what you want to use. I am using an Android emulator, so I'm going to use x86. So I'm going to click that. Oh, I'm going to click that. It's going to download eventually. Now, oh, pfft, that did well. Hold on. Nah, I don't need a Chrome. So we're going to see. It did download at least. So I am going to install that. Normally it would say you just want to install it, but my app crashed. So we are going to install that, and it may ask you if you want to install from an unknown source. That's just saying it's installing an app from somewhere that's not the Play Store. And I already said yes to that. That's why it hasn't popped up on my emulator. So I'll hit install, and hopefully it won't take very long. Alrighty. So we're going to open up the app, and it'll start us on the welcome screen. So we'll come here from Get Started. We will choose a display name. I'm going to pick Android Studio. Android Studio. The display name doesn't matter because many people could share it. The main part is that everybody has a different destination hash, which is a randomly generated key that is your real identity, and the destination hash is just the public part of that. It's a beautiful part of Reticulum. So we're going to go to the local Wi-Fi, make sure that's on, and then the internet and TCP. Then we're going to continue, and we are going to enable this, the notifications, and the battery. We're going to continue again, and just hit continue one more time. Just, excuse me, just make sure everything looks like this, and then we will start messaging. And hopefully that loads very quickly. This is where I've started to have some problems with the emulator on the past couple videos here and setting up the network. So we've loaded in. We don't have any conversations or contacts because we haven't connected to the network. So we're going to come down to settings, go to network, go to manage interfaces, and now you'll see for some reason our normal internet hub is down. The one that comes with the app was on and functioning when I downloaded it the first time, but for the last few weeks it seems to have been down. So we're going to come down here, click the plus button, and go to TCP client, and we are going to choose the Goon Cloud Hub here. I didn't name it, that's just what it is. It seems to be the fastest one in the United States, at least for me, and it's also the hub for the website, so should be the fastest. I'm going to hit next. It's going to auto-populate all this, and down here you can pick if you want it to be Wi-Fi or cellular only, or be both, just in case you have a limit and you don't want to go over that limit. And we're going to hit save. Now, we're also going to go to Interface Discovery and turn that on. And that'll find anything on the local network, and that'll be important for the upcoming meeting. Just got to give it a second. I'm just going to crank that up to 7. I don't fully understand it. I believe this is the amount of devices it can see on the local network. So then we're going to apply and restart. And once we apply and restart, we're just going to make sure of something. There we are. So if you see right here, this should be online, not like the Bethel RNS. So we're going to come back now. And if we check our contacts, we are already having people being added. So this will populate every time somebody announces. Oh, and as you can see, we are growing quickly. I already have I think I have above 20,000 people and nodes on my main account. So if you leave it on and just let it scan overnight, you'll have so many people. And you can announce yourself right here so other people can see you and then they can talk to you. So we are going to add the website, its hash. So I have already copied it. Hopefully it's still there. And that will also be in the description below. We are going to go to manual entry. And for the identity or address, hopefully, all right, I still have it. And then I will enter a nickname for it. Sumner Ready website. And we will add it. And it's already found it. Apparently it actually already pinged, so I honestly wouldn't have had to do that. So we are going to click it, and we are going to get rid of this tab. Hold on, something's get. Oh my gosh. I apologize, honestly. There it goes. Okay, I couldn't figure out how to get rid of the keyboard. So we're going to click it and click Browse Site. And now you can see, let me change this. If you go up here, if it looks like this, I hate this, I'm just going to go to Wrap. So it'll make it easier to read on a phone screen. Now you can see we are browsing on the Sumner Ready website. And let's see, down here, actually I'm going to do that in a second. So down here, this is my hash from my personal account, Redwood. You can message that if there's a problem with the website, if there's somebody causing issues, somebody I need to ban, if somebody's put up some illegal content, or if there's just bugs, so I can try to fix them. This is very much a work in progress. And let's see. We've got the board down here. We'll come down here. It's kind of, think about it like Reddit, but without pictures. And it's a little bit more default and dumbed down due to the nature of Reticulum. Reticulum doesn't host live pages, or I should say NomadNet, which runs over Reticulum, does not host live pages. So if you were, say, let me go back, in the chat room, and you wanted to chat, to make sure that whenever somebody responded, whenever you wanted to check that somebody responds in the chat, you would actually have to refresh the page. Because Reticulum cannot host a live page. Let's see. So I did that. Oh. So we're going to go to all boards here. And we are going to go to Reticulum. And I'm going to post something. And now this is important. Actually, before you hit the new post button, just the way I've built the website, hit the identify to node first. This will just send the hash, your destination hash, just so we can prove it to you. And now, and there's nothing associated with that, nothing personal. It's just proving that you are your Reticulum identity. So we're going to now hit new post. We're going to say title, test, I had caps lock on, testing for video. And I'll just type in, this is me testing. adding a post to the site on video. And I'll have my nickname be, I don't know, let's see, another admin. And then we will hit post. And it'll say my post is up. We'll go back to the board. We'll check it out. And there it is. Now you can see the post. So that's the simple way of accessing the website. Feel free to, I'm trying to get back to the main one. Feel free to go around, look at what you want. There's other stuff in there. We've got files. I haven't added any polls yet, but just things that I feel would be useful to the group I've put here. Also some things for just testing. So I'm going to sign off now, and if anybody has any questions, feel free to throw them into the comments and let me know. And or if anybody wants to see anything else, just shoot me a comment. I will put the link for the app down in the description, and I will also put the hash for the website down in the description. This is KQ4LSY 73.